The last days of the dinosaurs. 66 million years ago, Earth was at the peak of its life. Forests, rivers, and seas teemed with creatures of all sizes, from tiny lizards to massive predators weighing tens of tons. Dinosaurs had ruled the planet for more than 160 million years. They had survived climate shifts, volcanic eruptions, and the disappearance of entire continents. It seemed nothing could remove them from the top of evolution, but then something happened that changed the course of history forever. Far out on the edge of the solar system, in the cold reaches of space, a giant asteroid, a rocky monster the size of a small city, drifted silently. For millions of years, it traveled through the void until the gravity of the planets pulled it toward Earth. Entering the atmosphere at more than 20 kilometers per second, it struck in what is now Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. In an instant, energy equal to billions of nuclear bombs was released. The shock wave incinerated everything for thousands of kilometers. Rocks and molten debris were hurled high into the sky, falling back as fiery rain that ignited forests across the planet. Mega tsunamis hundreds of meters high crashed onto the shores. But this was only the beginning. The impact blasted trillions of tons of dust, ash, and soot into the atmosphere. The sun disappeared behind a dense shroud of darkness. An impact winter began. Temperatures plunged. Days turned dim. Nights grew freezing. Plants stopped growing. Herbivorous dinosaurs starved first, followed by the predators that hunted them. The chain of life broke, link by link. As if that were not enough, on the other side of the planet, in what is now India, massive volcanic eruptions were already underway. The Deccan Traps. Millions of cubic kilometers of lava flowed across the land, while toxic gases, carbon dioxide, sulfur compounds, and methane filled the skies. Acid rain destroyed forests, and a shift from extreme cold to extreme heat delivered the final blow to a dying world. Even before the disaster, Earth's climate was changing. Sea levels rose and fell, habitats vanished, and many species were already weakened. The cataclysm simply finished what nature had begun. Within just a few thousand years, the Earth was transformed. Around 75% of all living species vanished. Dinosaurs, the rulers of the planet for millions of years, were gone, except for one small group, the feathered dinosaurs that would become modern birds. Only those able to adapt survived. Small mammals, crocodiles, turtles, and certain birds. And it was the mammals that outlived the catastrophe who would, millions of years later, evolve into us, humans. Thus ended the age of the dinosaurs, and a new chapter in Earth's history began. The disaster that destroyed one world gave another a chance, and changed the planet's future forever.